Hey guys, Humans for Targets here, and I'm going to show you the proper way to clean your Glock. Okay guys, what we have here is the Humans for Targets bathtub and Gaston Glock's G23. Well, not literally Gaston Glock's G23, but you know what I mean. And I'm going to show you how I clean my Glocks. Okay. Today I'm using Dial. Normally I'd use Dove because it has 1/4 moisturizing cream and it just helps the finish a little bit when I use Dove. But for today, we're going to use some Dial. Okay, so I want to start by putting it on the washcloth like this. There we go. I got enough on there. And you just want to take it and go over the gun. Make sure to get everything out. Okay. Oops-a-daisy. Seemed to have dropped my magazine into the water. Well, we'll go ahead and get that too. Oh, nice. Forget to get the follower pretty good. Where your bullet goes, push down in there a little bit. Do your frame. Get them night sights nice and clean. They'll glow nice and bright for me. Okay. Nice and soaked up. Get the trigger area here. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is break her down. No rounds in chamber. Pull the trigger in a safe direction. Okay, here we go. There it is. Need a little bit more soap. I'm running low. Okay, there we go. Do your undercarriage. Get up in here really good, around the rails. Oh yeah. She's looking good already. Okay, this Glock was already pretty much clean, so I'm just going to do a quick run through. This won't be a full thorough cleaning. So, okay, next what you want to do, take your frame. Let's go through it a little bit, just go over the top a little bit. Okay, now I need to grab something else here. Okay, next, what I'm going to use is degree. Always go with the degree sport, intense sport there. This is the one I like, and of course shooting is a sport, so I like to use the sport. So what you want to do here, take the deodorant like so, and rub it on your rails really good there. Let me get in close here. That rail, the front rail up here. This rail back here, this rail, that rail. Smelling good already. Go over the inner rails a little bit. Just take the side of it like that. Go over your inner rails a little bit, like so. Okay, that part's done. Now I'm going to reassemble it so I can get on to the rest of it. Okay, next thing that I'd like to use, the next thing I have to do is Pert Plus. Now, I like Pert Plus a lot because it's 2-in-1. This is shampoo plus conditioner. Therefore, this saves me a step while cleaning. I no longer have to use shampoo and then condition the gun. This will just save you an extra step there. And I use the medium conditioning. Works out pretty good. Okay. You just want to use this on the top here. Like so. And what I do is I just take the washcloth and oh yeah, get that all rubbed in. Normally you'd want to let the conditioner stay on here for a minute and a half because this has conditioner in the shampoo. You'd also want to let this sit for a minute and a half before rinsing, but for the sake of time, I'm not going to let it sit that long. Okay, there you go. Okay, give it a good rinse. Oh yeah, smells very good. Wish you guys could smell this. Okay, now there's basically one final step that I would do right now to get this service weapon back into use. I'm going to lock the slide back here. Okay, lock the slide back. And this is what I use. Crest Pro Health. Now it's very important you use one with enamel shield. And this one also protects against acid attack. It has qualities in it that protect against acid attacks. I really like that because if I'm ever out caught in acid rain while carrying, I know that my gun will be safe. So, take a dab here, put that on there, like so. Then what you want to do, take your toothpaste and go in here to the breech area really good. Back in there. Get all that really good. All that back in there. Just like that. See that? See how nice that is? Let's get all around in there with that. Gun down in here. Okay, folks, there you have it. Your Glock is now ready for action. Okay, guys, this is Humans for Targets signing off with the freshest Glock in town. I guarantee it.